Hey, what's going on, guys? How's everybody doing today? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. The Body Beat down here, Michael, at your most humble service on this whatever day it is. Monday. Monday. So, as you can see, we got a little bitty packaging. That's what she said. And I'm shooting with two cameras just in case one of them doesn't work. I got this on video. So, I had a gift card. And I ordered something a couple days back. And we're going to see what it is. We're going to see what it is, guys. Together. Let's do a gentle cut. It's probably going to be double boxed. I have a strange feeling.
And my strange feeling is very correct. I'm correct. I knew I would be.
Good God. It's a brand new box. Anyway. I got a lot of boxes. I don't like open packages. No telling, maybe it's shipped from overseas or something. I don't know. Well, we're going to see if everything's here. But these customs or whatever, or whoever it is that likes to bust open boxes, they shouldn't be allowed to do that.
Yeah, but Mike, what about guns and ammunition and what about drugs?
Well, we're getting that anyway from our own people, so... Anyway, so we're going to hope that everything's in here. And for some reason that camera cut out, which is why I'm using two cameras. All right, so now we're going to be looking at that camera. Guys, hey. So, we got the box open. Let's take a look-see. Again, I don't expect everything to be right. There's no telling.
Ooh, that's heavy.
Okay. Alrighty, Rooney.
What the knick-knack paddywhack is going on, guys?
Oh, you're not going to even know what to think. Boom. 3 sets of drumsticks. Now I think you know what we're doing here. I think you have seen what we're doing. So what I ordered was I ordered a practice pad for my drumming to practice. And that's just a carrying case if you ever want to carry it somewhere. And this is the practice pad. Practice el patio.
Made out of some rubber material. Made out of some rubber material.
So, cut this open. See what we got going on here. I mean, whether it's good quality or not, it's heavy for what it is. That's what she said. Can you say it's what she said with like literally everything? Probably so. So that, I assume, does that. You don't have to probably open it all the way. No, you don't want to open it all the way. We'll go about like so. I assume, people, I don't know. I'm assuming. I don't know what they did right there. But they didn't come with too many instructions, I don't think. I assume that goes like that, and then that does whatever that's doing. I don't know what that's really doing. But let's put this here. About right, chunk, maybe? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Dost thou looketh like I know what thou's doing? I don't know how to speak like that either. I don't know what I'm saying. So, outside of being a nut, let's see. There's the angle on it. And, oh, there we go. Okay, so that opens up to, okay, that's what that is. Okay. So then we put that there. Yes. See how it goes? Yeah. So it's working. You guys want to go, sure. Let's see. There, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, guys. Okay, close enough. Close enough for who it's for. All right. Let's take a look-see, guys. I don't know how to play. I'm learning how to play, so, you know. And I think this is like a stick holder to hold all your sticks and stuff. And I'll figure that out later. So yeah. Sorry about the primitive video. That likes to mess up periodically, so at least I got this going. So my first thoughts and opinions is pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy built. I would say it's about 500 pounds. Probably not 500 pounds, but it's heavy. And it feels sturdy. Feels like it'll take a licking and keep on ticking. Little rubber feet here. Not bad, guys. I was told that I needed to get a practice pad, that it would be a good idea. There are a lot of drummers, you know, a lot of people learning drums and all this kind of stuff get practice pads. So, yeah, that's my... Woo! And that's why I only do one show a night. Yeah! Can you feel it? All right. Well, guys, I think I'm going to have a good time learning some drums. And stick around because we're going to have some other neat things happening pretty soon. Maybe. Who knows? And, yeah, well, I hope you like this kind of content. Again, I do put it on my Body Beatdown channel because it provokes happiness and mental stimulation, and it's moving. It is exercise. Everybody knows drumming is exercise, so it's something that I want to share on this channel as well. And so anyway, guys, Hope you enjoy. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff to the Body Beatdown. That's me, your insane drummer host. The drummer host with the most. Guys, get up, get ready, do it to it. Like, share, subscribe, comment. We'll see you next time on the Body Beatdown. I'm a little drummer boy. Look at me drum. Tip top, tip top, tip top. And I got the little bag put on and all my drumsticks stuck in there. Whether I put it in the right spot or not, I don't know, but it fit tightest there, so that's where I put it. You know, I'm not a professional. Don't know what I'm doing. I'm sure I'll get some comments. There you go, my little drum pad. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Pretty cool.
Get up, get out, get round, and do it to it.